In this video, I will show you one way to make money with Amazon, and this is to promote Amazon audiobooks. I mean, it's not a method, it's not a strategy, I just show you, maybe you don't know, you can promote audiobooks on Amazon and make money online. So all you need to do, if you are a complete beginner, is to go to Amazon, scroll down, and here you can see Make Money with Us and press on Associate Program. Here you need to register as affiliate. When you're done, when you finish, you can go here, and here you can go to audiobooks. And here you have all the information. So just watch, is very good way to make money with Amazon. You can read all the information here. With their trial, a customer will receive one free audiobook of their choice. So you can read everything here. Now how much you can make? You can see here I can make £5 for just a customer which one sign up for a trial. So if you bring people here to sign up just for a trial without pay, you make £5 for each one. Then you make £8 when eligible customers take a full price of £8 per month membership. Let's say we forget about this. All you need to do is to bring people to sign up for trials and you make £5 for each one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, and I will see you next time.